For the Yamaha MT-15 BS6. There you go, Sugam Dai, please join us on stage. Waiting for Mr. Sugam Pokhrel. Stage normally हामी के गर्छौं एउटा काउन्टडाउन हुन्छ स्क्रिनमा त्यो काउन्टडाउन 1 मा 0 मा पुगेपछि there's something that happens. How about we do the countdown together? Do you agree? Yes. अब चाहिँ अलरेडी जोश आयो है पानी परेको राम्रै भएछ. All right, are we ready with the countdown on the screen? Yes. Are we ready? Yes. Is our audience ready? Yes. All right, let's give the countdown. 10 9 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, on your screen, on your stage, the Yamaha all-new MT-15 BS. Pictures bhako chaina bhane I will move out of the stage. Can you move out of my screen? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Yamaha MT-15 BS6. The features: BS6 compliant engine, latest FI technology, anti-lock braking system, assistant slipper clutch, variable valuable activation, 140 mm super wide radial rear tire, and side stand cutoff switch. That is quite a sexy attribution to a bike right there, ladies and gentlemen. I think bike launch song the rain just kind of disappeared all of a sudden thanks to the heat of the Yamaha MT-15 BS6 on the stage right here. All right, guys, can I now have thank you so much to our riders. Very important. As much as a bike is gorgeously sexy, it is also very sexy to be taking all the precautions as you do when you ride a bike. All right, now let's move on to the handover ceremony. For that, I would like to welcome on stage Mr. Gopal Agrawal, the group director, and also the CEO, Mr. Rajesh Chetri, on stage, please. Can we have the CEO, Mr. Rajesh Chetri, and Mr. Gopal Agrawal, the group director, on stage? Congratulations, sir. I believe it's a lot of preparation to launch a bike of this stamina and standard, I would say, in Nepal. Congratulations to all of us. So for the handover ceremony, I believe we're having a lucky draw done. Can we have the setup on the stage, please? Prashant, can we have the setup on the stage, please? Meanwhile, as we wait, more alikati price details के भनिदिहाल्छु किनभने जस्तो जे राम्रो भने पनि आखिरमा it's the price that matters. I'm pretty sure Yamaha Nepal has all the benefits that they can give to the customer to make it easy for you to get access to your bike. So we have the regular MT-15 BS5 in metallic black, which is 4,49,900. Dark matte blue for 4,49,900 again, and ice blue and vermilion in 4,54,900. Now there is something else with Yamaha that you can actually do. Normally you can just choose a bike, but here at Yamaha we believe that you choose your own warrior, which is why you can actually customize it to your color choices that has been provided. So icy fluo and neon green for NRS 4,59,900, metallic black and vermilion mix is 4,59,900, and dark matte blue and neon green for 4,59,900. You can always approach Yamaha service stations or showrooms to know more details about it. There are a lot of ways, simpler ways of how you can purchase the bike from the showroom itself. Alright, so we're ready for the handover. Handover ma ke hudaich bhane हामीले 180 वटा bookings नयाँ MT-15 BS6 को लागि पाइसकेका थियौं, तर सबैलाई आज दिन चाहिँ अलि गाह्रो भएर ती 180 जना मध्ये एकजनालाई चाहिँ हामी आज ह्यान्डओभर गर्दैछौं हैन त. So we're ready with that. So sir, if you could pick one lucky rider who will be getting the key to the MT-15 BS6. कति जना छ यहाँ हेरौँ त ऑडियन्समा बुकिङ गरेको के? Raise your hand please. Oh wow. All the best guys. Gyanendra Baskota ji, कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Congratulations, Mr. Gyanendra Baskota. Alright, we also have the accessories to come along with this. Can we have the accessories and everything else that comes? Helmet, jackets, kit plate, sticker, tank pad, USB charger, a whole bunch of things right there for Mr. Gyanendra Baskota, who pre-ordered this bike and is getting it right here today. Quite a lucky Dasai start for you, Mr. Baskota. Thank you sir, I think we're done here. Thank you so much for assisting us. Very quickly, कस्तो लागिरहेछ? अर्डर त गरेको हो तर अर्डर गरेपछि कहिले चढ्न पाउँ जस्तो हुन्छ नि हैन? Oh, there's so many people still waiting. You're one lucky person. कस्तो लागिरहेछ अहिले?
I'm feeling so much excited है. सानदेखिको ड्रीम fulfill भयो त्यही हो. Thank you so much Yamaha Nepal.
All right, to greater dreams to come. Congratulations Gyanendra Baskota, right there for you. Alright ladies and gentlemen, अब केही बिर्छ यो बाइक्समा फोटोजको लागि एकछिनलाई स्टेजमा राख्नलाई दिन्छु. After that we resume with our entertainment. We have Sugam Pokhrel in the house. And we'll call Kenjal one more time again. So एकछिनको लागि the bikes will be on the stage. It'll then be cleared and then we still have a whole lot of things to do. Are we ready for that? Alright. I know चित्त दुखिरा होला है बाइक्स लग्यो भनेर. अब के हेर्ने त बाइकै लगिसक्यो, हेर्न आएको चिजै लगिसक्यो, के बस्नु त भनेर सोचिरा होला. तर we have the singing sensation of the Nepali music industry भन्छु म लभ परेको पनि उहाँकै गीत सुन्ने हैन ब्रेकअप भएको पनि उहाँकै गीत सुन्ने so his songs never goes out of fashion. Actually दशैं भयो कि पनि उहाँकै गीत मात्र बज्छ. I'm pretty sure he's going to sing that song tonight as well. You know the name, मैले बोलाउनु भन्दा पनि why don't you invite him on stage? Who am I talking about? There you go. Sugam Dai, please join us on stage. Where are you? And all the viewers watching us live on the official pages of Yamaha Nepal on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. We're having a beautiful time here. Thank you for joining us from the other side of the screen. For now, we're waiting for Mr. Sugam Pokrel. First of all, congratulations Dai to be the judge. You're the judge of the Nepal Idol Season 4 right now. How excited are you about the journey? Can we have Sugam Dai's mic turned on, please?
Right, thank you, Sahana.
तपाईं त कता कता घुम्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो त अडिसनको लागि
हिजोबाट विराटनगरमा अडिसन सुरु भएको छ सो बिहान 4 बजेसम्म गरेर आज बिहान आएर सो हामी हियर
आँखा हेर्दाखेरि निद्रा पुगेको छैन जस्तो
लागिरहेको खासमा
हो तर अब तपाईलाई गीत भनेपछि फ्यान्स भनेपछि आई बिलिभ त्यो जति चाहिनु पर्ने हो एनर्जी आई थिंक इट जस्ट कम्स आउट फ्रम द ऑडियन्स राइट
अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ त्यस्तै भएको छ सो गड ब्लेस मी अलवेज हुन्छ नि यो एनर्जी यो जुन माया प्रेम सद्भाव छ पाइरहेको जस्तो लाग्छ
सो मैले अघि भनिहालेँ हैन लभ परे पनि तपाईकै गीत ब्रेकअप भयो पनि तपाईको गीत इनफ्याक्ट दशैं आयो पनि तपाईको गीत बज्छ व्हाट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट कम्प्लिमेन्ट दैट यु रिसिभ सो फार इन लाइफ
अझै राम्रो गर्नुस् हुन्छ नि यु डुइङ गुड भन्ने छ म पनि कोसिस गरिरहेको छु खासमा हैन त्यस्तो धेरै ठुलो अचिभमेन्ट त भएको छ जस्तो लाग्दैन कन्टिन्यू गरिरहेको छु
You will see where it goes, right? There you go, the most humble person one of the most humble persons I've ever met in life. Ladies and gentlemen, Sugam Pokrel Dai, the stage is all yours. अब यो स्टेजमा बाइक लन्च भइसक्यो हैन तपाईको परफर्मेन्सले स्टेज जलाउने भए पनि जलाइदिए हुन्छ दाइ क्यारी अन
अलराइट थ्यांक यू सहाना थ्यांक यू भेरी मच यो अलिअलि हटाइदिने मिल्छ भने लौ न यो चिप्लिने रहेछ कि फेरि हैन चिप्लियो भने त रडी हुन्छ सबैलाई दशैंको शुभकामना भन्न चाहन्छु है दशैं निकै नजिक आइसकेको छ परिस्थिति अब असहजबाट अलिकति सहज हुँदैछ हुन्छ नि कोरोनाले गर्दा सो सबैको राम्रो होस् सबैको स्वास्थ्य राम्रो होस् भन्न चाहन्छु म अनि आजको फर्स्ट गीत चाहिँ दशैं तिहार भन्ने गीत नै रहेको छ यो माहौलमा मलाई लाग्छ हुन्छ नि यो भन्दा बेटर गीत आजको लागि किक अफ गर्नको लागि अरु कुनै हुँदैन जस्तो लाग्छ सो दशैं तिहार ताली बज्यो एनर्जी अलिअलि अब चारतिर हेर्नुपर्छ